In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a WordPress-based final confirmation page. It's very important that the users end up on the final confirmation page after the final upsell, downsell, or no thanks. The way the PayPal Upsell Tree plugin functions is, after every offer a user takes in the flow, it gets added to an internal cart. The order is not finalized with PayPal yet. After the user completes the final purchase in the sales flow, they must end up on this final confirmation page, because here is where they will see a list of all the orders that they have added to the cart so far, as well as a checkout button. When the users click on the checkout button, that's when the full order is completed with PayPal, and the users will then get automatically logged into their membership. When you generate the upsell button or downsell or no thanks button in DApp button generation page, you will find where you can enter the URL of this final confirmation page. We'll do a full tutorial on how to create the payment buttons in a different video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the final confirmation page. Let me show you how to create the confirmation page in WordPress. After you install the plugin and activate it, you will notice that when you add or edit any WordPress page or post, in the Visual Editor tab, there will be a new PUT button. When you click on this editor button, you will see various configuration options to configure the final confirmation page. The very first one is pick a page template. You can pick template 1 because that's the only option available right now. When you pick a template, you're going to see the preview of the page and how it's going to look like in this little window here. Now, this is just for viewing. Do not edit anything here because it's not going to result in actual changes made to the template. If you want to change the template, the look and feel, you will have to directly edit the page under this folder. The details are right here, so you can read this and see how you can update it. But do not directly update anything here in this editor. This is only for view. So the final confirmation page is going to look something like this. And these are the various options to configure it. The show product image option, you can say whether or not you want the image to be shown here in the summary page. If you do not want the image to be shown, then you can just say no here, and no image will show up. Instead, it will just show the product name. The delete icon, the icon that you see here, right here on this page, you can say whether or not you want to show this, because if you show this, it will allow your users to actually remove items before they finalize the purchase. If you do not show it, then the users have the option of checking out or not checking out. So you can set that here. Show cancel image, the image that you see here, you can configure whether or not you want to show the cancel image. If you show the cancel image and the users click on it, it's going to empty the cart. So they can really cancel the entire purchase if you allow them to see this button and allow them to click on it. So you can configure whether or not you want to show that. URL of the landing page upon the final purchase completion. After the purchases are all complete and the user clicks on the final checkout, the user is going to be automatically logged into their membership. Now it's up to you whether or not you want to actually take them directly to the downloads page or members area page, or whether you want to send them to just a simple thank you page with any message that you want. So it's up to you. You can configure the URL of the landing page right here, and whatever you put in here, that's where the users are going to end up right after they complete the purchase. URL of the landing page if the user clicks on the cancel on the checkout. So if they click on this cancel, where do you want them to go after the cancellation is complete? So you can set that. The checkout image URL and cancel image URL, you can change this image and this image to anything you want if you do not like the defaults. And the alert message displayed if the users click on the cancel button. So if you have this cancel and they click on it, this is the message that's shown, and you will see that you can configure whatever message you want right here. And that's it. When you're done with that, just hit insert, and it's going to select those options and put that in here in the WordPress page. So you can say anything you want. For example, if you say here /members, and if you say this, and then you just say insert. It's going to insert the shortcode right here on the WordPress page, and you can call it confirmation or anything you want. Just remember that whatever you call this page, when you generate the button in the DApp button generation page, you will have to set this URL on during the button generation, so the users will land on the right page. That's it. Now next videos we are going to take a look at how to actually create the button, the main button for the main sales page, as well as the upsell buttons for the upsell and downsell pages.